Alright, the next one, this 12-inch Galaxy 2150. As you can tell, it's missing the base plate. I might have one that'll work for it though. It'll be blue, but whatever. And the badge is missing all its chrome. But, and this kind of just goes everywhere, anywhere. Yeah. I paid $5 for it. I thought it was worth it to me, so I think I'm going to try and fix this up. Because I've been kind of wanting a gray bladed one like this. So this one the oscillator actually works on, so here's high. Just like all these, I find that it runs perfect. Pretty quiet too. Here's medium. And low. It's going to need some oil, I can tell you that now. Stop that. Here's medium. High. And off. Yeah, it needs some love. But hey, for $5, I really couldn't beat it. They wanted $6 for it, but I figured try for $5. Might see if I can find some silver paint and cover the badge up and paint this silver again. But for now, it'll work. It's in pretty, I mean, it's not in terrible shape, but it's not perfect either. But for $5, hey, why not? So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.